Hello, my name is Miss Maureen and I'm one of the children's librarians at Hardesty Regional Library. I'm happy to bring you this virtual story time, but first I wanted to remind everyone you're welcome to join us at tulsalibrary.org for other digital resources and virtual events, and we now have curbside pickup. So please browse our catalog and request materials and let us get them for you. So let's have some storytime fun with our 5 literacy skills: talk, sing, read, write, and play. And we'll do our song. So it's talk, sing, read, write, play. Talk, sing, read, write, play. Talk, sing, read, write, play. Let's do it every day. Oh. All right, so now our book today is, with permission from Simon & Schuster. It is Monkey and Me by Emily Gravett. I think they're having some fun. Oh, monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me, we went to see. Ooh, we went to see some. Oh, what could they possibly see today? What do you think it'll be? Oh, penguins! Did you guess penguins? Oh, waddle, 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 waddle. Can you waddle? Oh, fantastic. Oh, monkey and me, boing, monkey and me, boing, monkey and me, boing, monkey and me. Oh, we went to see some. Ooh, who hops? Who could that be that goes boing, boing, boing? I wonder, Oh, it's a kangaroo! Boing, boing, boing. Can you bounce? Oh, I love kangaroos. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me, we went to see. What could we see that hangs upside down? What could it be? Gosh, golly. Oh, bats! Flap, 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 flap. Can you flap? Oh, don't fly away. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me, we went to see. Who could we have gone to see now? Who did we see? Gosh, who has a... Oh, it's elephants! Can you make the elephant trunk noise? I know, I need a better elephant noise. I love some elephants. They're fun. Oh gosh, this might be our best page yet. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me, we went to see. We went to see. Who could it be? What kind of animal? Ooh, Did you? Monkeys! Oh, did you guess? Gosh. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me. Oh, we went to sleep. Oh, maybe we'll get to see more animals next time. Stay safe. We'll see you soon.